photographs are either in the attic, because we used to have actual photographs back in the day, or they're now on a hard drive. Generally speaking, I'm the chap behind the camera, and I just thought I might give it a go, doing the in front of the camera bit. It's a bit strange for me, but I've watched all this vlogging stuff on YouTube, following countless people, and actually it's very interesting. Well, it's interesting to me anyway, even better than actual TV. So I just thought, well, whilst I am travelling and whilst I am doing stuff, I might give it a go, talking about it. Now the likelihood is that you're not going to see too much of me, or hopefully not too much of me, in front of the camera at the moment, until such time as I get a little bit more used to it. But I'll dot in here and there. I still like to be behind the camera and do that type of stuff, but my intention is to document these travels, not just in a van, but on the bike, normal travel, that type of stuff, and just give people a flavour of what I kind of get up to. And perhaps maybe throw in some handy tips or tricks, if I have any. I'm not an expert, and I'm definitely not a professional at this, so let's not have the slating and the hating, please. I'm doing this for me, and if people get some enjoyment out of it, then yeah, more power to my elbow. But enough of me waffling. Let's carry on with the journey. So, a little bit windy here, just leaving England on our way to France. Still very cold though. I'll get used to this vlogging thing in a couple of days, I've got no doubts. Just got off the ferry from Dunkirk, and I've just come through the first toll into this parking area. It's like an air stop. France do these things so well. You can stop here, go to the toilet, get some water on board, have a bit of a break. Blighty, take note. We could do with some of these back in England. Anyway, I've been up since God knows how long, and I'm starving. I'm going to have something to eat now. And it's been cooking in this Mr. D's thermal cooker. If you're camping, you've got to get one. These are worth their weight in gold. I might do a review on that at some stage if this thing takes off for me and I get a bit more confident. But anyway, I'm going to have something to eat now. and I'll be back with you soon. Take food over, chili con carne, absolute killer. Mr. D slow cooker, thoroughly recommend it folks. Cooking with no power is the way forward. Anyway, that aside, on the way down here there may have been some background noise, wind, vibrations, that type of thing. I didn't have the microphone and the dead cat attached to the GoPro, so that's probably why that was. I'm going to try that out now for the next part of the journey, which is basically heading towards the south coast of France. I'm going to take through to Reims, then through to Dijon, and then perhaps Marseille on the way to Toulon, but we'll see. It's going to take me a couple of days. Normally I just slog it down there, but I'm going to take my time this time round. There may not be anything to see, or perhaps anything for me to say, to be fair. If there is, I'll let you know. If not, I'll see you down on the south coast. Okay, it should be a little bit better now. I've got the dead cat attached to the GoPro. I can't stay off this logging thing now, can I? Hopefully the sound should be a little bit better. It's going to be a pretty boring journey. It's all motorway, so I'll leave you with a little bit of time lapse, and perhaps when the next speak again, we'll be at the next destination.